What's up, guys? We are back with another video. Before we get into this video, I just want to say, excuse my background, excuse the bed, everything. I moved into a new house. It's a hot mess. My bed ain't put up and everything, so it's looking crackheadish. Excuse my son right there. He looking cuckoo too. But if you are new to this channel, what's up? Hit that subscribe button, join the fam, and if you are family, what's poppin'? So in today's video, I am doing soft locks in my hair. I have done all of these by myself. Yeah, let's just get into this video. I'm gonna show you my method. I think it's a pretty simple method. Let's get into it so I can upload it today or tomorrow. So the first thing that I do, I'm pretty much out of this, but if I can, this is the consistency of it. And then when you rub it, it literally turns into an oil. So I put this at the end of my hair, and then I grab some of this edge control. I put it at the ends of my hair because this is the oldest part, and I just want to make sure it has something on it while it's in this protective style. So I'm just gonna, I think that looks okay. So you get the loop, and you open it up. Then, I hate that it's about to start. And then you pull it through. Then, after that, pull it through here. And then you simply pull it. Untwist it in the opposite direction. And then go over the braid. So your braid should not be shown there. You should just see the lock. And I like this method way better because I just feel like this is a true protective style. Like, your hair isn't exposed whatsoever. And then when you go over it with the passion twist, it's making sure it doesn't come unraveled at any point. I feel like you can do whatever method is best for you, but I personally don't like the other method. I'm getting the end too, so I want it completely covered. Once I cover it, I twist it. And this is where this comes in handy. You don't have to use this, but I do. I just grab a little bit, however much you want, I guess, and I just kind of twist it on there to really keep it closed. And then boom, you have no hair shown. What I've been doing with my hair is I would grab a full passion twist and I would split it in half. This one has already been split in half. So then I am going to go back through here. Boom. Then I'm gonna close my loop so it doesn't get stuck on any of my hair, because y'all, the number of times that this thing got stuck deep in my hair, I was like, ooh, I might want to cut this out. Like, it was a struggle. Loop it like that. So that's how I put it. And then if I can see it, put it on there, close it, and then I pull it through my hair. After I pull it, I unloop it, and you grab one side, y'all. The power is... What? What you're gonna do is you're gonna have one side that's significantly shorter. So I'm just gonna do this side that's gonna be significantly shorter than the rest. So then I'm gonna grab a little bit more pomade, and I always go through and I put it on there, onto the hair. I throw this piece of hair back there. And then, so what you always want to do is you want to wrap this short piece in the opposite way. I'm wrapping it around the root of my hair as many times as I want. Most people say 2 to 3 times, but I'm extra. After I do that, I then go down the hair. And this is the opposite direction because it's looking like this. Fluff it out if you want. Then you're going to wrap the long piece with the direction that the lock is going in. So it's going in this direction. And I personally like to wrap it tight. And so you go down like this, and you continue down. And as you're going down, it's gonna look like this. This is how it's coming out. You can continue going down like this until you get to the end, and then you spray your spray. Or you can do a little knot. But I stick my finger right there, loop it around, pull it out some, and then I put that through that knot, and then I pull it through. Oop, that piece came out, whatever. Then I pull it tight, and then I continue going down. And that's how it's looking. keep on going. So I'm gonna put my finger like that again, and then I'm gonna pull that knot open, and I'm gonna pull that piece through there. 3 years ago, I got my hair cut in layers, so some of the locks are shorter than other ones. It's not too drastic, but it's somewhat noticeable, but it looks good. And I'm gonna just close it like that, and then I'm gonna let it unravel, and it stayed still. Kind of messy. If you don't like it like that, well, this may not be for you. And so then that's where my knot is, right there. So I'm gonna wrap like a few more times, and I'm gonna do a knot at the very end so that I can wrap back up, because with that extra hair, you don't want to just leave it hanging. But to each his own, you know what I'm saying? So I wrapped it some more, and I do that knot at the end. Boom, looks like that. Well, you pull it down, it looks like that. And so then where that knot is, I wrap above it. I would start back wrapping like this. So there's the knot right there, and then I'm trying to do it tight. And then I would wrap back up like so. That's how I was looking. So then grab the Got To Be Goo spray, spray it, and then you do that. And then it looks like that. And so boom, straight like that. So let's move on to the next one. results of the hair. I hope that you like it. I think it came out really good, y'all. It's super cute. I didn't think I was gonna like it this much. This can last for a while, depending on how well you take care of it. But yeah, this is the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video or I helped you in any way, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next video.